Ka jingya khun hakane ka election shitang samoy kaladai ka jingya khun ka bajwat hadu kata lapan pau national president ka sang NPP u Conrad konggal sangma. Ula ongru ba watla na kaliang ka sang persya kala persyang ban pensothu baklai ki Paidbah jong ki lai tili ki constituency habai dei ba ka Sorkar MDA kabala lam khamat da ka NPP handrai ka te ka jingjob jong ka kunhun MDA na Baroh lai tili ki constituency ka paushai ba ki Paidbah ki yoi ka rukam trikam jong ka Sorkar MDA ha ka jilla bar ki donru ya ka jing Shaniah ka baskem hakane ka Sorkar. Badula ai kubleiru ki Paidbah nong kersan jong Baroh lai tili ki constituency ki bala penjob don buram ya ki kertong jong kaseng NPP.
To our Honorable Minister for Tourism and also to our President of the State Unit of the National People's Party and also our Rajya Sabha MP. I would, at the very outset, like to thank the people of all the three constituencies, especially Morangkneng and Rajabala, for having put their faith and trust in the National People's Party. And also would like to thank the voters of Mauplang who have also voted in large numbers for the National People's Party and have elected the candidate of one of the coalition partners in the government, the UDP, which is a direct mandate towards the government itself. So I would like to thank all the three constituencies. I would like to thank the workers and the leaders of all the political parties within the coalition of the MDA who have really worked tirelessly in the last 3-4 weeks for all the candidates. In fact, in Morangkneng, we were supported by the UDP, the PDF, the BJP, the HSPDP, and all the other coalition partners that supported us. So we like to thank them also for the support in Morangkneng. At the same time, I would like to also put on record that this by-election has been a very tough election for all of us. And the reason I say this is because these two seats that the NPP has won were seats that have been traditionally won by the opposition, or I should say the Congress. And in both the seats, you have seen that in the previous elections, the National People's Party used to come third or fourth in the rank. In fact, in 2013, the NPP managed to only get 450 votes in Rajabala constituency. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And in this election, we have crossed 11,823 votes. So a jump of almost close to 7,000 votes was done in Rajabala, which is a huge, huge task. It's almost more than double of what the votes we got in 2018. Similarly, in Morangkneng also, it was same. What I'm trying to indicate is the fight has been tough, and yet the people have put their trust. It's because of the agendas and the work of this government that the people have seen. The agendas and the work of this government that the people have seen. It's a clear mandate and a clear thumbs up, I should say, by the people of these two constituencies towards the government and also in Mauplang towards the government of the MDA. Yes, there have been a lot of allegations that have been made by a lot of the opposition parties. We did not speak much. If you remember in the election campaign also, I had said that we would like to work and play a politics of development, politics of progressive movement forward, election and a campaign of issues of the people. And that's how we have been doing it. And I'm happy that people have responded positively to our campaign. And we're very happy to see that today we have won, as a government, we have won all the three seats. Similarly, if you look at the entire Northeast also, in all the other Northeast states, the Congress has not been able to win a single seat in the Northeast. This again is a very, very strong indication of the kind of problems that the Congress is facing and how their future is getting more and more bleak as they move along. So therefore, this is a very positive mandate, and once again, we would like to thank the people of these three constituencies, our coalition partners, and all the workers who have worked very hard so that we were able to win these three constituencies. I say we because the MDA has won these three constituencies. So thank you very much.